Ano yan? Star for a Night.
Star for a Night.
Kaya ako sumali dyan talaga kasi nga fan ako ni Miss Reg. Nung nalaman ko na siya yung host nitong Star for a Night, kaya ako nag-audition. Pero kasi
First
yung
TV
gusto ko
contest
talagang
na yan.
mangyari dyan, makita siya ng personal. Yun talaga at makakanta.
Yun lang. Kumbaga parang hindi ka naghahangad pa ng mas todo.
Yes,
Kaya
hindi ako, kaya yung kung gaano kahaba yung pila na pinuntahan ko, kahit ilang araw kami bumabalik doon, parang hindi ko naramdaman yung pagod kasi gusto ko talaga siyang makita.
Of course, I'm not sure if you know Regine Velasquez. There are days also that I just love listening. She's also like an icon. She's like Barbra Streisand here in the Philippines.
Okay,
She's like
I'm writing it.
right there. Oh my gosh, if you watch her videos, you'll be blown away. She's that crazy of a woman.
I'm doing
Take
it.
it
I'm
from
doing it.
me. She's amazing. We all love her. And
Wait, what song? Is there a certain song I should go look for first by her?
any song she does is amazing.
Okay. Sounds good.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Regine Velasquez. And I'm sure if you mention her in your streams or in your videos, all the Filipinos will just be going crazy because I mean
Okay.
everyone loves her. Everyone loves her.
great.
She's been around for the longest time. I love her. And
How
I mean those
things
are my
were here. I mean, I
super,
was not a
super
big
top,
belter type vocalist in the way that, say, somebody like Regine Velasquez would be. You know, and her type of vocals, I think, are really, really immediately appreciated because she's just phenomenal. And I wasn't really that. And I was also focusing on
I don't know
school.
anybody that can hit an F sharp.
Miss Reg,
Well, she's a freak of nature.
Ang aming destiny na mawawalan kami ng show. Of course, she's a superstar. I mean, she's like the biggest artist of this country na lahat ginagawa niya. Acting, singing, lahat. It was such a joy just being on stage with her. Kasi si Regine, isa sa pinaka-generous na artist. It's like, okay siya yung pinakamalaki, but at the same time, she also shares that with many artists like us or yung mga bago.
Ang dami niyang minentor. Isa si Sarah, di ba? Oo.
Actually, in a way ha, na-mentor niya ako eh. Kasi nung bago ako dito, talagang landline pa, wala pang cellphone. Pag meron akong,
Ah, iniikot-ikot pa yan.
hello? Nandiyan ba si Miss Regine? Ako yung tatawag sa kanya, meron ako isusumbong sa'yo. O ano yun? Sumbungan ko siya. And then sasabihin lang niya, ay, okay lang yan, hayaan mo sila. Ganun talaga dito sa Pilipinas.
Ang
And
mga
we've been
Reyna,
friends
yes.
since 96. Siya una kong naging friend. Never since, yun na.
Totoo. Hanggang ngayon wala pa. Siguro alam
Maganda nga
niya.
sana may endorsement kami, no?
Mama Reg also taught me to really not care. She told me a lot of things nung bata pa siya daw. Sinasabi daw sa kanya, hindi daw siya sisikat kasi pangit daw siya, hindi daw siya maganda, ganyan. Wala siya pakialam. Akat pa rin siya ng stage and she sang and she proved them wrong and now she's queen. And then si Ate Vice, sobrang... Actually, wala po eh. Halos lahat kami nag-agree. Siguro yung pinaka... ano na po, pero hindi pa rin disagree yun eh, si Mama Reg. But it was just a difference in preference. But it wasn't anything disagreeing. Like, we both respected each other. And siya po yung naging pinaka-close ko during the whole audition. Kasi kasama kami sa dressing room, share kami ng banyo, katabi kami. And so, I've learned so much from her. And so parang wala naman pong masyadong disagreement kasi halos lahat ng...
Learn it and understand it.
Ikinatuwa ni Laureta na nagustuhan ni Regine at Ogie ang version ni Nicole.
I'm glad that they expressed that Nicole Scherzinger did it justice.
Lovely to hear because I'm such a huge fan of hers. I mean, when I listen to her music and her voice, I'm like, what else is there for me to do? That really means a lot coming from her because I have so much love and respect for her.
Sobra po akong maswerte na meron akong Miss Regine Velasquez na kumbaga isa din po sa mentors ko, no? Si Miss Reg, magmula since day one, grabe yung pagsuporta na binigay niya po sa akin sa album. Pupuntahan niya ako kasi may ginawa nun na song si Kuya Ogie. Pupunta siya sa recording ko. Uupuan niya yon, siya magbabantay. Tapos lalagyan niya pa ng backup vocals. Grabe po, napaka-generous na tao. Tapos sa lahat ng concerts, hindi ka makakadalawang ulit ng pagsabi na, Miss Reg, pwede po ba kayo mag-guest? Talagang darating at darating po siya. So, maswerte ang industriya po to have the Asia Songbird, Miss Regine Velasquez.
Ano yung pakiramdam na dati?
Who has your respect?
Everybody. I think that the best singers in the world per capita are in the Philippines. Period. The first time I heard Regine, I was like, man, she was singing a Mariah Carey song. I told Mariah when I saw her, I was like, you better watch out. There's a girl in the Philippines that does you better than you. But you know, she's amazing. I watched Mark do 30 nights.
May ano ba? Na-meet mo na ba si Miss Regine? May talks ba nang magko-collaborate kayo?
Oh, actually, na-meet ko na siya. Ilang beses na kaming nagkikita sa mga shows, pero wala akong lakas ng loob para lapitan siya. Neto lang talaga nung nagkaroon ako ng chance, nung nanood ako ng concert niya ng Regine at the Movies, talagang pinapalang ko na talaga yung mukha, niyakap ko na talaga gano'n. Tapos may mga sinabi siya, ang haba, hindi ko na matandaan. Pero, hindi, kasi pag nandun ka sa moment na sobrang idol mo, tapos love na love mo, parang nasa heaven ka. Pero, ang natatandaan ko, sinabi niya na parang gusto niya akong makasamang kumanta. Yun.
So, kilala ka niya na singer?
Actually, matagal na siya din talaga. Di ba, gawain po kasi ni Songbird na mag-support talaga ng mga ibang artist. So, kahit ako, nung nagigig pa lang ako dati, pinopost na yung mga poster. Kaya sobrang mas lalo ko siyang
Ito yung aabangan namin.
May isa pa, Tito Boy. Okay. Of course, Asia Songbird, Miss Regine Velasquez.
Alaka.
Yes, of course. Siya ang dahilan kung bakit ako kumakanta ngayon, Tito Boy. Yes.
Galing.
Siya yung idol ko talaga ever since I was a kid. Kasi yun lang yung naaabot kong mga kanta niya.
You have new singles, Di Matitinag. What did you like about Regine then?
She's a fabulous singer.
You know what I used to like about her then?
Any singer that could make my hair stand.
That's the one.
Music.
Who of the new artists now?
I mean, when I was younger, I wasn't familiar with music throughout the world, but I came across a video on YouTube one time of Regine Velasquez singing, and it was very inspiring for me because she has such a great voice, not just a great control, but a great tone to her voice. And it motivated me to push myself as a singer. And only later I found out that she was Filipino. I didn't know she was Filipina. And then that kind of introduced me to the rest of the amazing singers in the Philippines. And Regine was always, I don't know, I guess she holds a special place in my heart. Because when I was in high school, she really inspired me.
Nice. So, have you had...
Iko-collaborate ko siya kay Regine Velasquez lang. Kung hindi, if ever na hindi mag-say yes si Ate Reg,
hindi mo ipapasok?
Wag na natin siyang gawin.
Bakit sobrang special ng boses ni Miss Regine doon sa...
No, because Ate Reg is one of the most, if not the most, special artist na talagang nasa puso ko. Alam mo yan, because siya kasi yung unang-unang nagpatikim sa akin ng
Adobo?
Hindi.
Ano ba? Sorry. Kala ko ba?
Ever since day one, siya talaga yung nagtumulong sa akin. Maraming tumulong sa akin, syempre. But si Ate Reg ang hindi ko makakalimutan kasi siya yung unang-unang nagpa-experience sa akin ng crowd ng Araneta Coliseum. Yes.
Kailan yun? 2004.
Just like all around a great person.
You know, aside from Martin Rivera, I was told that you are a Regine Velasquez fan.
Yeah.
Is this true? Tell me the story.
Yeah. A while back, like a before Idol, when I would just go on YouTube and just search up different singers, different songs, I came across Regine, and that's actually, one of the first Tagalog songs that I've learned, and that I've been singing for a while now, was actually her rendition of Ikaw.
Wow.
Minus me, of course. So,
Is there any Filipino artist you like to collaborate with? I know you like to collaborate.
I think, Regine.
Siguro po,
And then,
nag-IG live ako. Sobrang kinilig ako when Miss Regine Velasquez started commenting on my IG live. And siyempre, that's Regine Velasquez, so I was really shy. This, she was saying na parang, I want to sing backup for you. And I was like, no, I'll sing backup for you. Kahit ngayon, I'm still getting kilig over it.